The topic of today's video is how to connect Amazfit to Strava. Now, if you use Amazfit, you probably already have the Zip app. For those of you who don't, head over to the Play Store and download Zip. Once you've downloaded it, all you want to do is sign up. So just fill out this form. On the next screen, you can connect your watch or your ring or whatever it is you have and fill out another form. And then this is what the Zip home page looks like. So this is where the actual tutorial begins. So here in Zip, we want to go to the top right hand profile icon. Then we want to click on third-party account linking. And then we want to click on Strava. Click on Strava Unlinked, and that's going to open up Strava in your browser, so you might need to sign in if you haven't already. And then you just need to authorize. And there you go. You are now connected to Strava. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.